How to take gooseberry cuttings. It is quick and easy to take gooseberry cuttings, and it can be done in a matter of minutes. With this method, you need to wait until the plant is dormant, usually when all the leaves have fallen off. And the best time to do this is between November and February. All you need to do is look for a section of new growth and choose a bit of the stem that is approximately 20 centimeters long and has around 8 buds on it. Then you need to cut diagonally below a bud. Then all you need to do is place the cutting in the centre of a pot of compost and wait for the roots to develop. No rooting hormone is necessary. Bye for now.